We are turning our attention now towards the Philippines. A strong earthquake measuring 6.7 in magnitude struck east of Bacolod in the Philippines on Wednesday. According to PHIVOLCS, which is the Philippine Seismology Agency, the tremor occurred at
Disasters strike when we least expect them, and earthquakes, powerful forces of nature, can shake in our homes, livelihoods, and even lives. But being prepared makes all the difference. By staying aware, practicing the duck cover and hold technique, and knowing basic first aid, we can face these challenges with confidence. Because preparation isn't just knowledge, it's the key to surviving and protecting what matters most. Stay ready, stay safe.